Let's see what we have. Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to produce Amapiano chords easily in FL Studio. Whether you're a beginner or you want to improve your production, this video will guide you from start to finish. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, I'm gonna start with the basics of chords. What I do most of the time, I start with the bass line, bro, or the foundation, which is bass line. So I'm just gonna start with the bass line, like creating a bass line. Okay, now it's time to go crazy. So it's just gonna follow the step of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. Follow me. So you jump 2 space or 3 space. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here we jump 2 space. 1, 2. Okay. And then we're gonna have it. We'll have this one where it starts up. So I can use this one like as a base foundation. Now we're going to the second part. It's time to close up the space. So I'm gonna close there. I'm gonna close this one here, and then I'm gonna close this one too. I'm gonna select this one here up, something like this. So we just playing around like with them spaces. So yeah. This sound dope. This sound great. What I'm going to be doing now, I'm just going to select Alta A. That's Alta A. Alta S. Stratize everything here. Not too much though. A little bit, guys. And then we're going to have something like this. Okay, now it's time to make them sound smooth. Just use Alta X. Okay, decrease the volume like around 25%. Then Alta R to use like the velocity, and then we have something like this. That's nice, right? I'm gonna copy this one to Lounge EP. I'm gonna select another piano via, let's use Melo EP. Okay, I'm gonna copy this one. So the Melo EP is gonna act like keys, like we're playing like a real piano. So let's go. Do 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 do. So time to go crazy. Oh, that's nice. Let's take this one though. Ooh, I love that one. Do you hear that? Does? Let's see. Then they do. This is supposed to be like poo. I love that one. Then we can put like a little pressure. Like do. Okay, have to be here. Danko. Then we're gonna have like another higher key. Boo, boo, boo. And then we're gonna have a low key. Okay, we're gonna remove these two unnecessary. Okay, even this one. I love that. Do 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 do. So like gotta do doom. How about like? Do you hear that? Is it? Yeah, like boo. Okay, let's leave it just one like that. So now it's time to play around with them chord straights. So what we're gonna be doing, guys, let me show you what I'm talking about. First, we're gonna play around with this one. We're playing chess now. So see, boom 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 boom. Then even this one, I want like to go maybe something like okay, it's too much. And then do like boom. Then gonna play out. Just gonna move this one. Okay, I'm gonna come here, scale. Then I'm gonna 1 2. And then I think we're done. We can have something like this. Let's play the whole chords. I'm gonna use elective keys also. Let's see what we have. If I was making a beat, I was just gonna add like a saxophone. That's gonna go like this. That will be crazy, but I'm not gonna make a beat right now. Just playing around. Yeah guys, so that's how you create chords in FL Studio. And I know it's gonna be easy watching my videos and be like, no, I can now create my own chords. I'm sad. Sorry to tell you this, you can't create your own chords by just watching this video only, bro. You have to now start practicing how to create chords. And watching like videos always on YouTube, not gonna help you, bro. The only way to help you to become good with chord production is to practice, bro. But then if you can use this technique that I've shown you, you're going far. You're going far. No, I mean like, yeah. By the way, thank you for tuning in. If you did enjoy the tutorials, you know what to do. Drop the subscribe, drop the comments, hit like, subscribe. By the way, this is your boy, and I'm out. Bless up.